noticed how you say just one chip more and you end up finishing the whole bag? It is not a fault in your willpower. This is by design. The Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Bhagavan Shri Nithyananda Paramashivam, calls processed food the first crime done to you. Let us see why today. Modern fast foods and junk food aren't nourishment, they are addiction. PhDs literally sit to design products to attack your senses. Globally, 14% of adults and 12% of children show addiction-like responses to ultra-processed food. This now makes up half of daily calories in the US. Swamiji reveals that this is a nexus between the pharmaceutical industry and the food industry to constantly keep you as their source of income. Did you know that just rearranging your kitchen could reduce your cravings? When junk food is visible, you crave it. When fruits are on the table, you will eat it. Science shows that the environment beats willpower every single time. Swamiji beautifully says, the food that you eat, that is the type of society, ecosystem you will build. So place those healthy foods in front of you and see your cravings transform. One of the biggest lies told to you is about cooking oil. Refined oil doesn't mean it's pure. It is bleached, it is heated, and it is stripped of all minerals. It has been found that refined oil creates inflammation and cravings. Various chemicals are added to refined cooking oil to increase their smoking point and change their color, which makes them toxic. The best cooking oil to use is coconut oil, as it contains a high dose of lauric acid, something that is found in mother's milk, which supports growth in the body, that has antimicrobial properties, can be used to improve the skin health, is a quick energy source, being a medium chain triglyceride, helps increase high density lipids or good cholesterol in the body, leading to better heart health, and can even improve your immune response.
Your cravings are not you. They're created by parasites living in your body, microorganisms that feed on the energy of your desires. When you crave sugar, junk food, or negative emotions, you're actually feeding these parasites. But here's the radical truth. You are not your ups and downs. You are not the cravings that come and go. You are your intention to be, your conscious choice to manifest your highest potential. Stop identifying with the temporary fluctuations. Your intention to be enlightened, to be powerful, to be joyful. That is who you truly are. The parasites create cravings, but you create your being. Choose to be the consciousness that transcends all bodily fluctuations. The Upanishads declare Tattvam Asi. You are that ultimate consciousness. Your cravings are just temporary weather patterns in your system. Your intention to be is the eternal sun shining behind the clouds.
There is a beautiful Leela from the life of the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism. Swamiji's guru, Mata Vibhudanandapuri, also known as Mataji Kuppamal, would often walk 4 to 5 hours deep into the Arunachala hill, collecting rare herbs and roots needed to prepare sacred aushadhas for cleansing and detoxifying Swamiji's bodies from various parasites. She would tie the end of her sari, carry them back, and then sit with Isaki Swamigal to process each one of them with utmost devotion. Sometimes she would call Narayana Swami Tata to help her in preparing these sacred aushadhas. Swamiji says how he witnessed his guru's utmost sincerity in making sure that his body was detoxified from all the parasites and prepared to radiate the space of enlightenment. And when Swamiji as a young boy would protest saying, "It's too hot, you are forcing me to drink this," Kuppamal would simply slap Swamiji in a loving manner. Isaki Swamigal would just hold his mouth and Narayana Swami Tata would pour the medicine in. Swamiji says this is the best thing that ever happened to him. And for Swamiji, Kuppamal was not just a guru. She was a relative who had complete authority over Swamiji. Through such discipline and love, Swamiji's gurus prepared his body and biomemory laying the foundation for that supreme state of Paramadvaita that Swamiji radiates today for all of us.
Your food is life itself. Today, choose your consciousness over your cravings and watch your life transform.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your near and dear ones, subscribe for more videos like this, and to experience this ultimate science of Ayurveda and yoga, come and join the Paramashiva Sena program.